All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our website project. Let's get another dive right in so I can show you exactly what we updated and the changes we made to our particular website. So let's get that pulled up. Once we get everything going here, okay, we're gonna start here. Then we're gonna go here. Then we're gonna go to our file where the website is located. And this is all local. You won't be able to find this on the actual web just yet because it's not hosted just yet. Everything is on my local machine, so don't go looking for it. This is all just on my local machine, so you won't be able to see it unless I show it to you. So now we're gonna fire it up now. We're gonna show you my website. So as you can see, pretty much looks the same. Everything's basically the same. First, let's go over some of the updates that we actually implemented. So yesterday, I don't know if you recall or not, if you paid attention to the copyright year. It was 2023. I made it a little bit more realistic, so we're gonna leave it at 2025 to show the year that we actually started our website, so it can reflect that. I just put 2023 at first to make it seem like we were had the website up and running for a long time, which doesn't really matter if you knew the truth or not. So I just left it at 2025 because it is what it is. The About Us, we still haven't done yet. Pricing, I changed the 450 to 400 like I showed you yesterday. So that was an error. This is the correct pricing here, the 400 for the bundle of the AI generated videos alone. And you can see here we do have our 2025 correct here also. And then the homepage didn't have a copyright year, so we didn't have to change anything there. So that was good. And then to our services, as you can see, I filled out my services section. So our services at AI Media Studio, we specialize in providing state-of-the-art AI generated media solutions designed to elevate your business's visual and multimedia content. Our services harness the power of artificial intelligence to create professional grade images and videos that captivate and engage your audience. So that's that there. I'm not going to read over everything. I'll pan over it slowly so you can read it yourself. Our services include AI generated images, AI generated videos, AI powered content generation, consulting and support. And then we have a why choose AI Media Studio. And then we have our copyright year 2025 here. So everything is pretty much up to par. The last piece we have to do is the About Us. Should be a piece of cake. I just didn't get around to doing it because I spent so much on the month correcting all of the errors and then filling out the services section. So this will be the last piece we have to do here before we move on to actually tackling our try-free demo section. So that was a quick update. That's everything that's going on with our website. And of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way as we build along. And of course, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.